Welcome to the future of finance. Today, we'll dive deep about how many types of crypto wallets. There are several types of crypto wallets available, each with its own level of security and convenience. Let's break it down into two main categories. First is custodial wallets, and second is non-custodial wallets. Let's talk about custodial wallets. Custodial wallets are wallets where a third party, typically an exchange or service provider, holds your private keys on your behalf. This is similar to having a bank manage your assets. You don't control the private keys, but the platform promises to keep your funds secure. Some popular custodial wallets include Coinbase and Binance Wallet. It's great for beginners who don't want to worry about securing their private keys. These wallets often offer password recovery options, but you don't have full control over your funds. If the exchange is hacked or goes down, your assets could be compromised. Let's talk about non-custodial wallets. Non-custodial wallets, on the other hand, give you full control of your private keys and, by extension, your crypto assets. The keys are stored locally on your device or securely with you. While this offers more security and independence, it also places the responsibility on you to ensure your keys are protected. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.